A is for anglerfish shining in the night, a hunter-warrior with a powerful searchlight. E is for betta fish with fins so grand, a blade warrior robot, the finest in the land. C is for crab hiding in the reef, a heavy brawler warrior giving villains grief. D is for dolphin leaping high and free, a high-speed scout warrior guarding the sea. E is for emperor shrimp, small and so bright, a micro specialist with tools for the fight. F is for flying fish with a yellow tail, an aerial fighter robot that will never fail. G is for green crab waving claws so wide, a heavy pincer tank with nowhere to hide. H is for hermit crab peeking from a shell, a mobile fortress robot that guards us well. I is for isopod crawling through the stone, a heavy-duty crawler on a titanium throne. J is for jellyfish drifting in the stream, a floating drone robot like a neon dream. K is for killifish swimming fast and light, a lightning-fast striker, a heroic sight. L is for longfin bannerfish with a joyful look, a beacon support hero in every nook. M is for manta ray gliding through the blue, a stealth bomber robot with a heroic view. N is for nudibranch, colors bright and bold, a camouflage spy, a sight to behold. O is for octopus, clever and so shy, a multitasking guardian with gadgets nearby. P is for piranha with an intense glare, a frenzy blade robot, a combat nightmare. Q is for quahog buried in the clay, a submerged mine defense sleeping all day. R is for rainbow fish shimmering so fair, a prismatic laser beyond compare. S is for seahorse with a curled tail, a golden lancer robot on a hero's trail. T is for turtle, wise and so old, a shield guardian fortress with a shell of gold. U is for urchin, spiky and so small, a multi-directional defender of them all. V is for viperfish haunting the dark, a deep-sea assassin leaving its mark. W is for walrus, proud on the ice, a heavy breaker tank, looking so nice. X is for Ixipapor, swimming in a crowd, a swift community guard, fast and proud. Y is for yellow tang, a splash of sun, a solar scout hero having so much fun. Z is for zebrafish with stripes in a row, a striped tactical commando. Let's go! Go!